If you're someone like me, you want to travel. The idea of seeing the world excites and intrigues you. Traveling can seem like an expensive hobby, but it doesn't have to be. I've traveled to 27 countries and 13 states over the last 5 years, and I learned a way that anybody can turn their everyday spending into hotels and flights around the world. The information you need is all available in my online course. Everything you need to know about travel rewards points, earning huge point bonuses you can instantly redeem for a free flight, and learning a system to easily get a free flight year after year. All of this is included for you in this online course. When was the last time you took a course that was this valuable? Sign up now while it's only $20. Who wouldn't want to pay $20 for their next round trip flight? If you don't get a free flight using what I teach you, I'll give you your money back. Check out these testimonials from people who took advantage and are achieving their travel dreams.
I was paying about $800 to $1,200 for international flights that he was getting for free. And he was saving all this money, so I decided to get a travel card. And within the first few months, I was able to get a free flight to New Orleans and a free flight to Indiana.
This year I've done 26 different trips, including Thailand, Copenhagen, Norway, all on flyer miles. I definitely suggest if you love to travel, take this class.
Sign up now.